In this video, I'll show you some common coolant leak points on BMW engines, using this BMW F22 as an example. The customer noticed coolant loss, and on many BMWs, coolant leaks usually start from the same weak spots, especially plastic housings and coolant connectors that become brittle over time. To access the main leak area on this engine, the intake manifold has to be removed. With the intake manifold off, we can reach the oil cooler/coolant housing area, which is not in the most convenient location, but it can still be replaced without removing additional major components. Here you can see the old part. It has a plastic housing, and in this case a piece broke off, which pushed the sealing O-ring out of position. As a result, the connection became no longer sealed and coolant started leaking. This usually happens due to age and heat cycles. The plastic becomes weak and starts cracking. For the repair, I'm installing an upgraded replacement part with an aluminium housing. This upgrade helps prevent the same problem from happening again in the future. At the same time, I'm also replacing this coolant connector. It was not leaking yet, but the plastic was already starting to crumble, so it makes sense to replace it preventively. After cleaning the sealing surfaces, everything goes back together without any major issues. After the repair, the coolant loss problem was solved. Now the intake manifold can be installed back, and the cooling system needs to be bled properly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.